Hello, internet. Like somebody sent me a box of donations. Let's see what I've got. Let's see what kind of donations you guys are sending me here. Miscellaneous chips pulled from working parts need to be reballed. Okay. Miscellaneous chips pulled from working card came in a box from some kind of a mouse by Microsoft. Okay. Let's see what kind of chips. Oh, layers and layers of protection. No wonder people don't get pregnant anymore. Holy cow. That's a lot of stuff. All sorts of memory chips, little, I think, hubs from motherboards and stuff like that. That's cool, man. That's cool. That might come in handy one day. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm gonna have to look at that and get it organized. Thanks, bro. I don't know where you get all that stuff from, but it's amazing that you have all that stuff. Or maybe you were just practicing soldering, and that's one way to do it, I guess. I don't know. Who cares? 128 gigabyte SSD works fine, as to my knowledge. Port is broken. SSD? Is this like a laptop SSD or something? What is this? How am I supposed to open this without hurting myself? Or whatever's inside. This reminds me of an nvidia Founders Editions that are designed not to be taken apart. Actually, I was thinking about more of a A6000, yeah. The A6000. How do you open this thing? Okay, there. We're making progress. I can't even open this. What is this? Why is it so hard to open? Okay, I'm gonna cut this thing with scissors or something. Because this is ridiculous. Okay, there we go. Oh. Huh. Interesting. So there's supposed to be some kind of connector. And my guess is there isn't. Like the note says, so, okay. Memory modules, I suppose. What else? What else is in here? Oh, that feels like a video card. Uh-oh. Another impossible packaging. Jeez, I have no idea how to open this. Am I cutting the board? Whoa. No post was working before Crossfire was removed. Ah, interesting. So this is an old Radeon or something like that. Because Crossfire's a Radeon thing. Boy, why is it so hard to open? Cool. Crossfire was removed. Okay, so the Crossfire, something about Crossfire was here. And then it stopped working after. Cool. We'll have to look at that. Interesting. Nothing here. Another package that's gonna give me all sorts of problems. Trying to get it opened. Of course. Jeez, man. Why? Why did you package it this way? I mean, I cannot open anything. Okay, so this looks like Dell dock board, untested, could be good to harvest from. Oh, okay. I don't even know what it is. All I know is that it's a nightmare to open it. My guess is you get something for free, you gotta work for it. So I'm working for it, believe it or not. Hopefully I won't cut anything, any arteries or veins when I open it this way. Oh, okay. One of them boards for the extensions. It looks like it came from a laptop. I can't really tell. It looks like it came from a laptop. Alright, what else? Oh, looks like more stuff, more stuff. Holy cow, we got a motherboard. Oh, but there's a whole motherboard in here. It says boot into BIOS, hard crashes when booting into OS. Also, missing BIOS chip, but problem was there before. So, okay. Motherboard. Some sort of a motherboard. Crashes when booting into the operating system. So, that can happen for several reasons. I don't usually express too much interest in motherboard repairs because they're practically useless nowadays. You know, if I were to charge $100 to get the motherboard fixed, and the motherboard is like $150 or something, or even 100, it is absolutely worthless to send it, pay for shipping, you know, repair, all that stuff. Plus there's a very high risk of killing the processor and the process of just testing. Because if your motherboard wants to kill your CPU, it will. Ooh, that's a nice looking motherboard. Looks like an Intel based 1155. Ooh, that'd be nice if I get this fixed. Because I do need an 1151, actually. 1155. I do not have an 1155. Oh well, I need an upgrade anyway, so maybe we'll buy something. It even has the PCI. Oh my god, it even has the PCI slots. This is amazing. How cool is that? That is freaking cool. Anyway, we'll have to look at that. That's a really cool donation, man. I might even be able to fix it. I don't fix motherboards, but I might be able to fix that one. Who knows? Let's see. That's probably another GPU. Says no post, no thermal pads, or paste. That's bad. You don't want to ship GPU without thermal paste. It has a tendency to crack the core. And this is something I thought I'd never see. It's an nvidia Tesla. I have no idea what this card is for. I imagine it's some kind of a workstation. Lots of memory chips. But I think it's kind of old anyway. We'll have to figure this out. So this is a no post. This is a very interesting fix. And this is a very interesting motherboard. Amazing. Whoever sent this, thank you very much. I will be sure to put this to good use. Maybe I might even be able to fix this and put it into my own computer and see if maybe this would help me with editing video, because apparently then 3080 Ti is not enough for editing videos very quickly. So maybe this one will speed up the rendering process or real-time playback. I don't know. In any case, there's another board. No, that's the Radeon or AMD or whatever. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all that goodies. I'll see what I can do with that. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.